Stand at ease. So one of the great things we get to do here as leader is to promote outstanding soldiers, ensure that all of you all have had the opportunity to be promoted, and today we get to promote one of our own. These opportunities are on the backbone of the hard work that you all put in. My staff has recognized by being able to not only to graduate you all, but to put in the time and effort for the 12 different courses that we teach. We always tell you all as you graduate, you get to come back and be an alumnus, but I don't want to not take away from the moment to recognize these outstanding cadre members being promoted to the rank of Master Sergeant. So most definitely, again, this is all based on the hard work that you all have put in, while my staff gets recognized for being some of the finest 79 tangos in the 79 tango community. And today's another opportunity to recognize one of those cadre members, recognize with them and their family here present. So at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to promote Sergeant First Class Harriger to Master Sergeant Harriger. Fire! Attention!
Firm justice!
Sergeant First Class Harriger, hope!
Attention order. The Secretary of the Army has imposed special trust, confidence in the patriotism, valor, fidelity, professional excellence, Daryl J. Harriger. In view of these qualities and his demonstrated leadership potential and dedicated service to the U.S. Army, he is therefore promoted from Sergeant First Class to Master Sergeant. Promotion is effective 1 May 2023 with a date of rank of 1 May 2023 by authority of the Department of the Army, signed Harry L. Perez, Colonel, Chief, Army National Guard, HCM.
All right, hey, check it out. I realize that you guys didn't have a choice on whether or not to be here, but thanks for coming. Right? Hey,
Stand at ease.
I'll say this real quick. 10 years ago, I was sitting here as a student at SQI4, not honestly all that excited about it. And this career opened a lot of doors for me, so take it for what it's worth. Go at it with a good attitude, and it'll open a lot of doors for you. Just want to thank Sergeant Major Ferrara, Major White. They've been great for me, taking over what you guys took over a couple years ago. First Sergeant Miller is probably, in 22 plus years, probably the best NCO I've ever had the opportunity to work with, and I appreciate everything you've done for me. That's my wife Stephanie, my two boys. Oh, just graduated kindergarten today, so he's having a big day. I love you. You're the best decision I ever made. Everyone else, I'm looking forward to working with you guys, and let's get to work.